Meaning of harebell.
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 Harebell. Harebell is a common name for Campanula rotundifolia, a flowering plant that is native to Europe and Asia. It is also known as the bluebell of Scotland, as it is the country's national flower. The name harebell comes from the belief that hares would eat the plant to improve their eyesight. The plant has delicate, bell-shaped flowers that are typically blue or purple in color. It is commonly found in meadows, pastures, and rocky hillsides. Harebell is often used in traditional medicine for its diuretic and anti-inflammatory properties.